How to fix Instagram story glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story glitch on Android phone. First open settings and then go to battery. Here this one just disable power saving mode and then go to apps and apps again, and here you'll find Instagram. Click on it and then go to storage, clear cache and force stop Instagram, and then just go back, go to permissions and enable all of those here, and now just go back and just restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.